Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today we are going to make such a small but so interesting and magical animation on Scratch. So the name of this animation is Birthday Small Cake Animation on Scratch. So let's see the demo of this project. So that was the demo of this project. So the reason is that if there is any birthday of anyone, so you can wish them by making this animation on Scratch. So as you have seen, the birthday sound is also there, and the candles are also offing and they are just melting, and then they are again firing, and after that the balloons are also moving, and when they are just touching to the edge, so they are popping, and after that the animation has been ended. So this is the coding of cake. When the green flag will click, then switch costume to cake A, then play sound birthday and children, and switch costume to cake B. And this is the coding of balloon 1, and this is the coding of balloon 2. So the coding of every is same, but the everything in that position is different, and this is the coding of birthday name. So let's create a new one. So I will go on this file and I will click on new, and then I will get a new page. So it will load from some time, and then we will get our desktop site. So friends, before that I want to tell you, if you like this video, so please like it, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon and turn it on the all mode. So now first we will take the backdrop of birthday party from indoors. So let me see this party. Yes, this party backdrop is a good one. Now I want a cake. So what I will do, I will go in the sprite library, I will choose food category, and then I will choose cake. So this is our cake. So I have taken. Now I will make it size to 190, or you can do it 200. So let's do it 200. Yes, 200 is better, and let's put it in the middle, in the center. Yeah. Now what I will do, I will put the coding. So when the green flag clicked from the looks block, first we will see its costume. So first we want our candles are burning, then we will just off it. So now I will take switch costume to cake A. I will do switch costume to cake A, and now I want a sound. So I will take a sound. You can take any sound, but I am taking birthday song. It will be much better for it. So I will just simply go in search, and I will search it as a birthday. So then I will get a birthday. So let's search. Let me see. Yeah, I got this birthday sound. So let's go on the coding again, and now again we will just put it so you can see it properly. Now I will go in the sound, and I will take it play sound until done, and then the switch will be off. So the costume will be switch costume to cake B. So let's see what is happening. So as you have seen, sound is there, they are burning, and then we get it. Now we want balloons for decoration. So let's see where is balloon. So you can do two methods. First, you can take one balloon and you can copy it, and second, you can take 3 balloons by going again and again in Scratch library. But without wasting any time, I will just copy it here. So let's copy it, duplicate it, 2, and once more I want 3. So yeah, I have got this. So you can make their size also as you want. So let me do their size to be 60. So let's do it 60, and of the second balloon it will also be 60. So let's do it as 60, and of third balloon will be same, because I want equal size of every balloon. So now I have done 60. Now it's time to put the coding, guys. So let's put the coding. So on the balloon 1 we will put the coding. Let me drag it, balloon 1 to be here. So I am dragging it. So the balloon 2 will be gone here like this. Yeah, so now I have done. Now I want the coding of balloon 1. So here it is. So let me put the coding. So what I will do, the coding of balloon will be like this. When the green flag will clicked, right, then it will show whenever the green flag will be clicked. So now let me take this show. After that the size and the position will be changed, go to. So X will be, you can do it like that. So I will do it -130, it's better. And then this one will be -108, 100. And let me see what's its position. So as you have seen, the position of this ball is, so let me see which ball it is. Okay, and this one is, yeah, so as you have seen, the ball is like that. Now what I want, I will go in the control block, I will take it repeat until block. So let me take repeat until block. It will repeat, but from when we will go from in the sensing block and we will take it touching. So instead of touching mouse pointer, we will take edge. So let me small it so you people can see it. Yeah, so I will do it as edge. So after edge the size will be small, so we will change the y by 2. Change y by 2, we will do it 2, it's better. Yes, and then a kind of pop sound will be there, so we will put start sound pop, and then it will be hide. So let's hide it. So I will hide it from here. So let me take, okay, so now this will be here. I drag it, and now I have to copy this all on everyone. So what I will do, I will just go here and then I will just minimize it, and then I will copy it on every balloon. Okay, I copy it here. So let's change the size of them also. So we will change just their position. In the second balloon we want a different position, so it will be look like X will be 176, yeah, 176, it's better. And Y will be, guys, -92 will be better. So let's do -92 and just drag it here. And then what I will do, I will just go here and I will just copy it here also. So let me copy it. So yeah, now we got this also. Here I will do X will be -14 is better, and Y will be -25. Yeah, so as you can see, both are, all the three balloons are blue. So let me change their costume. So let's change their costume by going on costume. So I will do it as purple, or you can do it yellow. So let me do it yellow, and on the third one it will be purple. Okay, so I have done purple. So we have 3 colors balloon, and now it's time to do last animation about birthday party. So I will click on this sprite library. So at this time we don't need to choose a sprite. So let's make a sprite by clicking here and then clicking on brush, and I will click on the brush, and then I will get a kind of page of here. So I will write there happy birthday. As you want, you can do it. Let me choose the color like this. You can choose any color. I am choosing pink. Okay guys, and then we will choose the handwritings. You can choose anyone. I am choosing this serif, and let's convert to it btemp, and then let's write it. So we will write it happy birthday. So we will just come here. Okay, so I think this is better. Yeah. Now what I will do, I will just do it, come here, I will do it like that. I will go in the convert to vector, and then I will just choose this. I will choose this one, and I will just make their size as I want. So let them in between. Okay. Now I have done. Now I will make their size some small. You can do it as you want. So now I have done. You can do it as small. So let's do it some small, where otherwise it will look like more big. So let me choose it. It will take some time for that if you have a computer, so you can do it very fast. Now I got it. Now what I will do, I will just do it like this. You can see here it come on here also, so we can change their size from here also. So let's do the size as 50. So what will happen? Oh, that's great. We got it here, so we can put it here, and by this we can again change their size to be, we can do it as 60. Let me see. Yeah, this one is very good. So if you be hesitated to do this, so you can change their size from here if you have a mobile. So now I will just put it here as I want. You can put anywhere as you want. So now it's time to just put the coding on happy birthday name. So we can make its name as a birthday name, birthday. So we will do it birthday name. Okay, now we will put the coding on it. So let's put it. We will go in the event block. We will take it when the green flag click. We will go in the repeat block. We will repeat this animation 8 times. Yeah, 8 times will be better. Then we will change its color from the looks block. So let's take it, guys. Change color effect by 25. So this is a very common. And then we will go in the control block and we will take it. Wait 1 second. So we will put it here, and then I will save it. After that, so let's see on the full screen. So we have done. Now it's time to see on the full screen. So I will click on this green flag. So guys, as you have seen, the sound is also there of birthday party, and we have written happy birthday. The color is also changing in 25, and even the candles are also burning and not burning, and then the party backdrop is also there. So even the balloons are also popping, and it's seeing very beautiful. So friends, that's all about today. If you like this video, so please like it and kindly share it with everyone. And if you are new on my channel, or if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon to get my more updates, and ring the bell icon on the turn mode for getting my videos at first. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.